Girls, it's Miss Harling. I wanted to share a book with you today because we're going to be starting something new in math. I know that you got your packets, and the first chapter that we're going to be doing is chapter 10 on time. I wanted to share this book with you, and then I am going to do a lesson out of your packet today that has to do with time. But I thought this would be a nice way to introduce it to you. And I know many of you already did time in second grade, so this is a review, but then we're going to move a little bit further into learning elapsed time and things like that. So I wanted to share this book with you. If you look, it's called Time. It is by Penny Dowdy, and it introduces the concept of time using everyday activities and items to demonstrate how it is measured. So we're basically going to talk about how we measure time, how we tell time. So this should be a nice review for you. What is time? Time is a way we can measure things. Time measures how long something takes to happen. Time can measure how long it takes to do things. Some things take a short amount of time. Other things take a long amount of time. Brushing your teeth is a short amount of time. And you see there's a caption next to him telling you brushing your teeth takes a short amount of time. How much time do you spend brushing your teeth? How much time do you spend on the school bus? Which takes longer? Obviously, staying on the bus takes longer than brushing your teeth. Clocks. There are different tools to measure time. A clock is used to measure time. It breaks a day into smaller parts. A watch is a kind of clock. Many people wear watches on their wrists, and some clocks are on walls. Here's the next caption. This clock is on a wall in the classroom, and we all have that in our classrooms. Hopefully they work, because sometimes they don't, and then we have to get them fixed. Next page, here's the caption. Some clocks are huge. This big clock is on a building. Parts of a clock. The front of a clock is called the face. The face shows the numbers 1 to 12. A clock has two hands. The hands point to the time. The short hand is called the hour hand. It points to the hour of the day. The long hand is called the minute hand. It points to the minutes. Some clocks have long, thin hand called a second hand. It counts the seconds. Now they give you a little activity down here. It says you can point to each part of a clock and then name it. Here you see the little girl holding a clock, and here you see on the next page the little boy showing you the different parts of the clock. If you have a thin hand, that's called the second hand, which means it constantly moves around the clock for every second. The short hand is called the hour hand. It's pointing to 10 o'clock. And the minute hand is the long hand. It gives you how many minutes have passed within the hour. Telling time. People tell time by counting hours and minutes. There are 60 minutes in an hour. The hour hand moves one number each hour. The hour hand is on the clock, is pointing to the number 2. We know it's 2 o'clock, and there's your hour hand, which is also called the short hand, pointing to the 2. It says we start counting the hours at the top of the clock. The number 12 is at the top. There are 60 seconds in a minute. The minute hand moves one mark each minute. There are 5 marks between each number. We can skip count by 5s to find out the minutes. And I know you learned that last year from second grade. You can skip count by 5s on each of the numbers. It says the minute hand on this clock points to the number 6. If we skip count to the number 6, we know it's 30 minutes. To tell the time, we look at both the hour hand and minutes. On this clock, the hour hand is pointing to the number 2. The minute hand is pointing to the number 6. The time, 2:30. Parts of a day. There are 24 hours in a day. A day is split into different parts. These parts are called morning, afternoon, and night. We wake up in the morning. The morning is the start of the day. The afternoon follows the morning. When the sun goes down, it's night. School starts in the morning. People often eat lunch in the afternoon, and we get ready for bed at night. Reading stories is a good way to get ready for bed. Calendars. A calendar is another tool to measure time. A calendar is a chart that shows days, weeks, and months. There are 24 hours in one day, and there are 7 days in each week. The days of the week are there: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then they give you an activity at the bottom. It says, which day of the week do you go to school, or which days of the week do you go to school? Which days of the week do you stay home from school? Well, we know that, right? Monday through Friday, we're in school, and then Saturday and Sunday, we are home for the weekend. This calendar shows the month of June. Months. A calendar shows 12 months. A month is part of a year. There are 12 months in 1 year. Look at the calendar on the next page. Read the name of each month. The first day of a month begins with the number 1. Some months have 30 days. Other months have 31 days. 1 month has 28 days. And then they give you the activity again. It says you can use the calendar on the next page and point to the month of your birthday. Which day of the week is your birthday? Look at the calendar on this page. Can you find the month that only has 28 days? What is it, boys and girls? It's February, which is right here, 28 days. Time goes by. A calendar shows days that have passed and days that are still to come. The day after today is called tomorrow. Imagine today is Wednesday. What day of the week would it be tomorrow? The day before today is called yesterday. What day of the week was yesterday? It was Tuesday. Now, this is all based on if today was Wednesday, and they show you the day after Wednesday would be Thursday, the day before Wednesday would be Tuesday. Years. There are 365 days in a year. A year also has 12 months. On a calendar, a year begins on January 1st. You can start counting a year from any date on a calendar. The time between your last birthday and your next birthday will always be 1 year. And then they give you the activity. Every 4 years, there is a leap year. In a leap year, February has 1 extra day. So they're saying if it was 2012, that would be a leap year. When will the next leap year be? If leap years happen every 4 years, boys and girls, and it's 2012, even though we know it's not, when would be the next one? If you said 2016, that's right. And then here's some more captions. This calendar shows 2008, the year of 2008 in June. This is the time between June 15th of 2008 and June 15th of 2009, which is 1 year later. And then you have 12 months are equal to 365 days, but if there's leap year, it's 366 days. And then here at the end is the glossary of the different words that were in bold print on the pages. You've got afternoon, that follows the morning, a calendar, a chart that shows days, weeks, and months. We know what a clock is. It's a tool to measure time. The front of the clock is called the face, and it has the numbers 1 through 12. The hands on the clock, that's part of the clock that points to the numbers for hours and minutes. We know an hour has 60 minutes. An hour hand is the shorthand on the clock. It points to the hours. Leap year, we talked about that. A minute has 60 seconds. A minute hand is the long hand on a clock, and it points to the minutes. We know a month is usually 30 or 31 days. Morning is between sunrise and noon. Night is the time after the sun goes down. The second hand is the thin, long hand, and it counts the seconds. We can skip count, which means to count by numbers other than 1. Tomorrow is the day after today. A watch is another tool that people can wear on their wrist that tells time. A year is 12 months, and yesterday is the day before today. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed that. And here it says we finished the book, and then they've got some other books here. I know that Mrs. Nasher has also sent something on Remind app about going on to Epic Books. You can see that up here in the corner, in the left-hand corner of my screen, that you can go on. And if you go on, she'll see whether or not you've been reading. If you find books there, you should be reading them. I'm also going to tell her to give you some books to read on time, since we're going to be doing a lot of that now with math. So I will see you later, and I will be teaching my first lesson from the packet. Okay, bye guys. See you later.